Okay, let's get into how to use this AI prompt to calculate your Social Security. Basically, all you're going to do is copy the prompt, make sure you get all of it, and you're going to paste this into either Word or Notepad, something like that. And you just basically have to update all this information. So instead of my client, say my information is, and my wife, etc. For your age and your benefit amount, just type in your information from ssa.gov, go to the Social Security Administration's website, and you can log in and get all your data. And you have to put in the information at every age. You can't just put in like 67 or your full retirement age. You do have to put in every age. Do that for you, do that for your wife, and then your scenarios. Now, originally, I put in I wanted to figure out both at 62, but the husband is 64 already, so we have to take that out of the calculations because he can't go back in time. So change scenario 1 to 64 and wife at 62, and then make sure that you keep your assumptions here and then put your required outputs, okay? Any additional notes will go down here. So we're just going to copy this whole thing again, make all your updates, and we're going to go over to Chat GPT. Here it is. And we're going to paste that right in. So notice everything is right in there, and we're going to click the play button or go button, whatever you want to call it. And then we wait. Wait for the analyses to come back. Usually takes about a minute or so just be patient. All right, now the analysis has come back, and you'll see that we've got some break-even points here, and we've got anywhere these lines cross, those are break-even points. So the yellow is scenario 1, that's 64 and 62. So if you weighted 64 and 62, your break-even is right around, depending on which one you're talking about, is right around 81, 82, somewhere around there. If you wanted to do it a little bit sooner, then you're talking about this blue line, which is scenario 5, right? Which is at age 70. Obviously, you're making more money at age 70, so it goes a little bit faster. So then it gives you scenario 1 cash flow tables, scenario 2, scenario 3, 4, and 5 cash flow tables. Notice these are all zeros, so I'd want to figure out why it did that. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so they're just different ages, right? So that's fine. Key observations, claiming early, so it gives an analysis and observation of each scenario, and then the break even. Now, I've run these numbers, and these are pretty close. Where you're going to get differences between the different AI models, especially with Deepseek and with Chat GPT, is it depends on how you start the calculations. This one, if you look inside the prompt, I've got both the husband and the wife born on January 1st. ChatGPT does it on a calendar year. So because we started on January 1st, it's fine. Deepseek, however, calculated it. It knew that it was March, and it took those 3 months out of the calculations. So just be aware there may be some variability, but as long as they're pretty close, that's all that really matters, okay? So because Deepseek did not include January, February, and March in its calculations, and it calculated as of April 1st, it did that automatically. I didn't ask it to. So sometimes these AI models just make assumptions. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, I'll put my information on this page and you can schedule time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.